All right.
Make it fun.
Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. That's right. This is Slacker broadcasting through Dodge Jeep Ram in Lansing with our partner Dan Ladd and Terry Franz, the Car Santa, here for Military Mondays, Cars for Heroes. Every month we come out to Speedway. They are the home of the military discount, and we give you amazing deals, and we've got some today, especially in the department, Dan.
Hey, we got 2 doorbuster specials for Slacker. Bring your car in today by 2 o'clock, get the oil change for just $9.99. And to prove that we've got all makes and models on our pre-owned lot, a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche, the hard-loaded LTZ 29.9, 8,000 under Kelly.
Come on, you'll never sell that thing. It's going to cost you. You're going to lose money. You got to get that thing today.
We're going to lose money, but that's the whole idea. It's a doorbuster.
You got to come on in here by noon today and take advantage of that great deal. Here is the deal. We've got Terry up here. We've got Channel 9 on the way. We're going to be helping out a veteran. Tell us a quick story about this veteran.
Well, she's a Army vet with 11 and a half years, served over in the Persian Gulf, had an accident, and she needs a vehicle with some special equipment. So we're going to give that to her today and see if we can make her life just a little bit easier.
All right, when we come back, we're going to be presenting a vehicle to the vet as we continue our Cars for Heroes here live at Speedway Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Lansing. This is Dan and Slacker and Terry on 101.5.